What's up guys, welcome to Top Phone for You. In today's video I've got the Vivo X Note and I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and see what comes in the box. Please note this is the Chinese version. At the moment it's only available in China, so if you want one you'll have to import from China. At the front of the box we have the X Note and Vivo and the camera collaboration with Zeiss, and on the side this is the 12 gig RAM and 512 gig version. Once you lift the top up, you're presented with the phone, and you got a nice leather feeling on the top there. It's very nice. And here's the phone itself. And then when we pull this out, to see the accessories. This is the blue version. Yeah, we have a vegan leather case with it, which is look very nice and high quality. We have a VIP card and some stickers. And we have the SIM ejecting tool and a quick starting guide. Here we have the USB-C cable. Have some wired headphone. And next we have the flash charge 80 watt power brick. And that's it. That's what comes in the box with the Vivo X Note. So let's unwrap this phone and see. This phone comes with a 7-inch E5 LTPO AMOLED display with 120 Hz refresh rates and a screen resolution of 1440 by 3080 pixel. Quite a big phone. When you hold it, it doesn't feel that much bigger. That's how big it is compared to the Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. When you look on the side, we have a silent rocker there, which is the same as you get onto the OnePlus. And then on the top we have the infrared blaster and the microphone. On the other side we have the volume up and down and the power button on there. At the bottom we have the dual SIM tray. It doesn't support any micro SD card, it's just a SIM 1 and SIM 2. And we have the USB-C, a microphone, and then a dual stereo speaker. And turn the phone at the back. This phone comes in 3 different colors. We have the black glass version, and the other 2 are the vegan leather look alike. We have the blue mountain and the gray version as well. The blue and the gray version comes with a leather case which keeps the design of the actual phone when fit in, and it fit very well and nice. It keeps that pattern of the stitching on the side, on both sides. It doesn't make the phone any bigger. It's very well designed. In terms of hardware, this is comes with 5000 milliamp hour dual cell battery and support 80 watts wired charging which come in the box, and they support 50 watts wireless charging as well, which will charge the phone within 45 minutes. It comes with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 4 nanometers with Adreno 730 GPU and a custom Vivo V1 ISP chip for the image enhancement. And you'll be glad to hear that this phone is IP68 water and dust resistant up to 1.5 meters. At the back, it comes with a quad camera setup, and at the front, it comes with a hole punch 16 megapixel front camera. This phone allows you to register your fingerprint with just one touch, so you just need to press your fingerprint on there for 1 second, and that's it. It's just done. Let's try it when it comes to unlock the screen. And it's very quick to unlock your phone. It's very nice, and it can be customized. And under the setting, you can increase the fingerprint unlock area. There you can have it as small, medium, and large. So when you go onto the fingerprint, here you can change the icon for your fingerprint and customize it, change the area. The icon can be customized to whichever one you want, and then you can change the color. And then once you're happy, you just do apply. And when you go back, lock the screen, and then once the screen is awake, you just tap on there. It's unlocked. It's very quick. There you go. Very fast. Yeah, this one comes with a 12 gig LPDDR5 RAM with 4 gig extended RAM and 512 UFS 3.1 storage. And then the screen refresh rate, it got 60 and 120 Hertz refresh rates. It is quite smooth and nice to scroll up and down. It's very fast. Display screen is very nice and sharp, as you can see there. So watching a high quality movie there, you won't be disappointed. It's very nice and bright. And here is a few sample pictures and video. That's it from me. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and enable notification for my latest video. Thank you for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one.